Good morning guys. Today is 9:15 ng umaga, September 20, Tuesday. Punta tayo sa Doves Beach Resort guys, and I'm enjoying it here so much. Ang ganda ng view, very relaxing, ang daming mga tanim-tanim. Hindi tayo plantita pero nakaka-relax siya early in the morning na, tingin-tingin sa view dito. And then yeah, I'm just waiting for Martin to be done kasi nasi-shower siya. Kailangan daw mag-shower siya before breakfast. Ako naman, hindi ako ma-shower na tao. No, I'm gonna take a shower later after we've been eating breakfast. Yun yung normally ginagawa ako. So, Martin naman hindi makalis ng kwarto pag hindi pa nag-shower. So, maganda din kasi may time ako to do my things here kasi ang tagal. Hindi naman ang tagal pero naging sobrang busy ako guys at wala talaga akong time na mag-update sa YouTube. So, it's nice to wake up so early and be able to do things while others are, being productive themselves too. And by Friday, Saturday, Sunday, darating yung complete family ko. Right now, it's just my mom and my father. My mom and my father. My mom and my father. And Martin and me. So, yeah. Ginagawa namin dito guys. Relax lang taga. And I'm telling you, ang bilis ng oras. Kasi, our vacation is only 3 weeks. Tapos 1 week na kami yesterday. And, yeah, kasi dumating kami dito last week. Dumating kami dito September 10 kami bumiyahe. September 11 kami dumating. Sa Cebu. And then now it's September again. Hindi pa talaga ako gising. September 20. So, naka 10 days. Naka 9 days na kami pala. Ang bilis lang. Kaya, ini-enjoy ko talaga, nag-relax ako kasi right after this, balik na ng Denmark, and then kayod-kayod na naman, the normal story. Yung internet nila dito guys, it's like, ginagawa ko, hindi ko nakatingin sa inyo. Yung internet nila dito is sometimes okay, sometimes hindi okay. So, tina-timing sa loob ng kwarto, wala talaga. Dito sa labas, medyo okay konti. Tapos nawawala. Tapos, inaano mo na naman, kinoconnect mo na naman. So, yun yung only downside dito. And then, ano pa ba? Yung habol nila is may aircon sa loob. Tapos yung habol nila sobrang nipis. Parang wala ka talagang habol. So, pag ginawin ka, of course, pwede mo namang i-turn off yung aircon. Pwede mong i-adjust. Pero what I did is bumili ako ng fleece blanket na actually nabibili siya diyan sa Gisano. Bumili ako ng 4, 350 yung isa, but it's worth it talaga kasi hindi ka giginawin, ang sarap ng tulog mo. So, yun. Ganda ng umaga. Hinihintay ko pa. Yan, nasabi ko na pa na naghihintay lang ako ni Martin, and then we're gonna go on breakfast. Tapos yung breakfast dito guys is included na sa binayaran namin na 2,000 pesos per day. So maganda kasi hindi ka na mag-iisip. Kita nyo, oh my god. Huwag kayong matumba. Okay, good. So hindi ka na mag-iisip kung saan pa ba kakain, ganyan. So it's an easy early morning day. Yun yung parang gusto ko talaga na parang okay, it's a must na. Kasi pag kami lang ni Martin, okay lang din naman na parang okay, no breakfast kasi alis. Pero this time, gusto ko talaga na pag magising na, punta lang dyan sa restaurant, dyan lang, and then kain agad. Maganda din pag may family kang kasama kasi they can just go, they don't have to wait for you. Yeah, they don't have to wait for you na parang oh, I did awake, I did not awake kasi ako, bakasyon kasi, so I don't wanna put any alarm, so I will wake up when I wanna wake up. Kasi pag nasa trabaho na tayo, hala, alarm everyday na naman. So, yun. So, I just told them na when they wake up and they're hungry, they can just go to the restaurant and eat breakfast there, or later, maybe, nantagal ko talagang magising, something like that. At nagutom sila, punta lang doon, whatever, i-charge lang sa room namin para walang stress. So far, okay naman. Tapos, I have to say, pag magpapalaba dito, ito yung mga prices nila. Pag magpapalaba dito, guys, 80 pesos per kilo. Kahapon ako nagpalaba, tapos ngayon daw yun makukuha. And then, yeah, 80 pesos per kilo. I think it's too expensive actually. Kasi the last time, I don't know, sa city kasi the last time, 2 years ago, parang may nakita pa kaming tagsis 30 pesos per kilo. Pero dito, I think it's because it's a tourist area, malapit sa mga resort, yung anuhan lang namin yung para siyang sari-sari store pero nag-a-accept ng laundry. So, yun. Maganda siya. Akala ko may tao. Yung sinampay lang pala. So nice. Tapos bumili pala ako nito Effective naman siya. Nalala ko yung dati. No, it's because ang daming lamok dito sa labas. Especially in the evening, lumalabas sila. And ang dami. So, bumili ako ng ganyan. Bumili din ako ng Baygo na parang spray. Pero Daniel kasi si Martin hindi pa niya na-try yan, hindi pa niya nakita. So, he was like, what is this? And now he wanna bring one of these in Denmark. Kasi sa tiny house namin, din yun. Madaming mga tanim, so madaming mga insect, ganyan. May mosquito din, pero hindi naman siya nakakatakot kasi wala namang dengue doon. Pero he said he wanna buy a box of that and then bring it to Denmark. And I go, okay, then we do that. Aray, ang daming ba. So, yun. Actually, maaga ako nagising today at 9 kasi normally, since nag-arrive ako dito, nagigising ako around 10, minsan nga 12 na ganyan, dahil din yun sa jet lag. Pero now, I'm fine. I think I'm starting to be fresh again. Dami kong sinasabi. Yeah. I'm starting to be fresh again. So, I'm actually able to wake up. I mean, today I woke up like 8:50. First time in a long time. Pero sa Denmark naman, maaga ako nagigising, guys. Sometimes nga mga 4:30 in the morning kasi yung pasok, yung pasok ay 6. Hindi naman lagi. 6 in the morning, and then, iba-iba yung pasok kasi, iba-iba yung shift, iba-iba, everyday it's iba-iba. Yung focus lang talaga is dapat maka 37 hours ka a week. So, sometimes mag-work ka ng 6 in the morning, sometimes 7, sometimes 9:45, iba-iba oras. My God. Ang ganda dito Dapat talaga kayod pa muna tayo, as in kayod ng bongga, para kahit pa paano magkaroon ng hindi naman ganito kaganda at hindi, maybe ganito kaganda pero hindi ganito kalaki in the future. So, kayod to the max, yun yung magiging goal natin. Ang ganda talaga pag may tayo ba, parang may property sa malapit sa dagat kasi pwede siyang i-business. Pero yun ay magiging future plan, future goal, plan talaga. So, ibig sabihin nun, at this time, kayod, save, until such time in God's will Baka naman. Baka naman, Lord. Help. Very, very nice travel there. Uy, ano pala?